Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will show you how to download and install the latest version of the AMPlayer or AMPlayer application to your FireStick device. So this is going to be a good video. I'll recommend you watch right up to the end, and if you find it helpful, please do us a favor, like and subscribe if you can, so that you encourage us to create more videos. So if you're looking for the latest version of the AMPlayer or the AMPlayer, I don't know how you call it, but if you're looking for the latest version of it, this is how to install it, and this is a full guide video. That means expect the video to show you every single detail of what you need to do on your FireStick device. So here's mine, as you can see on my screen, with its default view. Anyway, so as I said, I'm going to be showing you every single step you need to follow. The very first thing you need to follow is to make sure that your FireStick device can install applications from unknown sources. So we have to turn on that settings, and let me show you what to do. So on your FireStick device, go back to your settings and click on my Fire TV settings. So of course your Fire TV needs to be connected to the internet. I don't really need to talk about that one because I know that everyone knows that. So on your about here, if you see this second option, then you're already a step ahead. But if you don't, come to the about section. On the name of your Fire TV stick, click on it daytime until there's a pop-up below that says no need, you're already a developer. Once that pops on, come back to the developer options, click on it, and we are interested in the second option that says app from unknown sources. So you've got to make sure that this option is turned on your FireStick device. So when this is turned on your Fire TV, you'll be able to install applications that are not on the Amazon App Store. So please, if this is turned on, you can then close it and return home. So that's the very first step. The next step is for us to install the download application. So that's way simple. So click on Find, click Search, and just type in T, and you get a suggestion for the download application. So quickly come down here, click on it, and you can download the latest version of the app, always using this method. So click download, and the application is going to be downloaded straight away to your Fire TV device, and we're going to quickly launch it once it's done downloading. So here's it. Go ahead and open it, and this is how it will look like on your Fire TV device, especially if you are looking to use it for the very first time. So click allow, click OK on here, and what we need this for is to install the Unlink application, because we are going to be using the Unlink application to install the AMPlayer. Now let me just quickly give this. There are lots of ways to get the AMPlayer application. There are many ways you can get the application to your Fire TV device, but the one I'm showing you is what I guarantee that you will always get the latest version of the application. That's why I'm showing you this longer full guide video, so that even if you're watching the video 6 months from now or 12 months from now, then you'll still be able to install the application to your Fire TV with this method. Other methods will expire, but this one, I am sure it wouldn't expire. So anyway, once I hear, you have to type in this code. So type in the code 10381. So that's the code 10381. This code, to use this code to install the Unlink application. So click on go and just do nothing, just watch until the application downloads and we install to our Fire TV. So just give it a couple of seconds for it to start. So I've been using this code to install Unlink for over 18 months and it always works. So anyway, I just want you to know that. So click on install, and then the application is going to be quickly installed to your Fire TV device, where you can go ahead and move to the next step. So click done. Please do not open the application straight away. Click delete over here and delete the file from your Fire Stick. You know, Fire Stick doesn't have a lot of space, so please come over here and click delete. So once that is done, you can close the downloader app. Just click on home to save time, and let's go ahead and launch the application on our Fire TV. So here's it over here. Here's the Unlink that we just installed. So just go ahead and open it. You can move it to the top wherever you want if you want, but I won't do that. I want to save time. So this is not the only Unlink library I'm going to be using. There are other libraries that you can use. But if you go back to my YouTube channel and search on link codes for Fire TV, I'm going to see over 7 different libraries that you can use. But for this video, I'll use just one. So come over here and we click type and type in this code. Please, I've used this code for a long period of time and it always works. If it doesn't work for you, there's some things you need to check out. Make sure that there is no space at the end. Neither is space at the beginning, and also it is one word. So please do not use a suggestion. Use type it exactly as you see me on my own Fire TV on my screen. That's why this video is a tutorial for you to follow step by step. For step that is going to bring you here. Now I'm going to blur some of this information for the sake or the health of my YouTube channel. Once you're here, just browse down to media players and you're going to find the application there. So here's the AMPlayer that we are looking for. So as you can check on the top of my screen, it says this was lastly updated on the 28th of January. So that's literally 3 weeks ago. So this is the last version of the application. So just come over here and click download and it will start downloading to your Fire TV. If you're watching this video 6 months from now, 3 months from now, or a year from now, you realize that the updated date has changed if there's a newer version of the application. So as long as there's a newer version of the application, it is going to be updated to this library. I can go over here, follow the same method that I showed you from the beginning of this video and install the application with the same method, and that's why I use this method and I showed you a full guide, because even though it's longer, months from now, you are still going to go ahead and use this method to install the application. So now I've quickly downloaded it and I can go ahead and just click on install, and then the application should be installed to my FireStick device. So click install and just watch it install. So the other apps you can install in this library if you want, but for this video we are just focused on the AMPlayer. So just wait for it to install and we can go ahead and launch it. So click done at first and return home. We close the unlinked library. I went too far. So let's go back to our library and see the application that we've installed. So if I go back to my library, here's it over here. I browse to the bottom. Here's AMPlayer. Can go ahead and launch it. So AMPlayer is a media player. It doesn't provide content, so you have to allow access to content on your library. And as I said, this app does not provide any content. You have to have content before you use the app, or you can use the app for content that is not on your device but maybe hosted somewhere on the internet. So this is just a media player by itself and has no content. So this is a video how to install the latest version of the AMPlayer app, and as you can see, it works on my FireStick. So anyway, if you found the video helpful, let me know in the comment section, and please make sure to like, subscribe and share if you can. I will appreciate a lot.